This tutorial is going to talk about maintaining your work-life balance in the budgeting game. At the end of each week of the budgeting game, you will get a challenge asking how you would like to spend your weekend with 4 options. You can work extra hours. This will launch a mini game that will ask you to play a small game that will determine how much extra money you will earn. The extra money you earn will end up on your paycheck the next week. You can socialize with your friends. Socializing with your friends is a good way to build up your quality of life points very fast. However, most of the events you can do with your friends will either cost money or at least not give you as many benefits financially as some of the other options you have. Taking care of your household chores is things like clipping coupons, cleaning, and keeping your house neat and orderly. By doing household chores, you can save money on some of your other bills. And professional development is the last option. If you've started the game as a part-time student, this will say study. And as a part-time student, this means that you're spending time in school improving your grades. And if you're in the full-time mode, it means you're conducting professional development and hoping to get a raise on your job. Now, if you're in the part-time mode, you can't increase the wage you receive at your job. It's just set. But if you're a full-time worker and you conduct a lot of professional development, you do have a chance of earning a raise at your job, which means you'll increase your long-term income. Now, if you are a student and you study a lot, when you graduate and start your full-time job, that will carry over, and so you could start with a higher wage than the other students in your class. However, you need to be careful to make sure you spread your decisions evenly across these as much as you can. For example, if you work extra hours every weekend trying to maximize your net worth but never take care of your household chores, you're very likely to start getting events such as you had a cockroach infestation because you didn't clean up. Or if you're always socializing and never working extra hours, you could find that some of your other colleagues at work start to outstrip you and get extra bonuses and paychecks that you're just not earning. So there's a strong incentive to try to spread your choices each weekend evenly across each of these fields. For example, if I click professional development, it shows that I registered for a seminar series where I talk about my own experiences. This does cost me money, but it does count towards my professional development, and it might earn me a big increase in my wage later. As you play through the game, try to spread your time wisely and make sure that you're not leaning too hard into one objective while ignoring the others.